Hi Radios, in this video we are going to see how the Python draws these drawings in only 3 lines of code. So let's move on to the code. From sketch.py import library as lib. In this line it shows error, so we have to install the libraries. For that I am just opening the terminal in PyCharm editor and typing pip install sketch.py and then click enter and download it. Why are we using pip command? Because it is the package installer for Python. So the next is library. So pip install library, then I just click enter, so it is also installing. If you don't have PyCharm editor, go to search button and type cmd and open it, put the same command, then install it. Then I just declare a variable named rt equal to lib.tomholland, then rt.draw. So library is called here and tomholland is the module, and then rt.draw is used to execute. So I just run the program. Wow, it's just draw a Tom Holland picture. If you are a Tom Holland or Spider-Man fan, just watch our previous videos. Not now, but in the end of this session. Now, you all doubt that there is 3 lines of code only. How do I draw another drawings? Here, we are calling only the library modules, which is already examined and declared inside the library.
Oh my god! Wow!
So I just declare APJ module. Do you know who is APJ? APJ Abdul Kalam is Missile Man of India. He is pride of our nation. If you miss him, just put like to our video. So the next module is RDJ. So I think you all know him by the famous role he played, that is Iron Man. Then the next is BTS. Most of boys don't like BTS, but forever XXX tentaction. Then I don't know why girls are mad at BTS. If you know that, comment below. Now, can we draw our India map? So I just put flag and run it. The next is thalapathy Vijay. Then I declare Gojo. Gojo means I don't know. If you know means just let me know by your beautiful comments. I think this is an anime. Then finally Iron Man AC. This is long process compared to others, so just run and see.
One eternity later.
If you think you learned something new, like and share to your friends. If you want to learn more than you think, subscribe to our channel. Then check the about in our channel. There I given my install link and GitHub link. Check those links. There are so many source codes available there. So finally we are going to close the shutter and open it zone. Thanks for watching. So see you on the next session. Bye.